Hello you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. I have a ton of exciting videos coming and I can't wait to share them, and one of them includes a new tool that I've discovered, and it is basically a Canva alternative. So stay tuned for those videos, they're coming very soon. But I thought I would just put out a quick video today on a digital product that you can create literally today and sell it maybe over the weekend, and that is a birthday card. This is kind of the season for holiday cards, birthday cards, like whatever the case may be, and invitations are actually being looked at quite frequently. So I am going to show you guys how to create a fun design that I got some inspo for on Pinterest. So if you're interested in learning, I'm going to keep this under 10 minutes, so it's going to be a quick video today, but I'm going to show you exactly how to create it. And of course, as always, I'm going to give you some keywords that you can use to sell this product. So if you're interested in learning what this digital product is and how to create it, then keep on watching. So when I tell you that this product is very easy to create, I mean it. I am going to quickly switch over to the iPad and we're going to open it up, and I'm literally going to create this thing in like under 2 minutes. So let me open up Canva. I'll show you how to make it. I'll give you some keywords, and I'm also going to show you how you can get a mock-up for this that you can put on Etsy as well. So without further ado, let's get into it. So all you're going to have to do is go into the search bar and you are going to type in birthday card. The reason why you're going to type this in is that it's basically going to size it perfectly for you without having to go and create custom sizes and things like that. So you can see there's a whole bunch of other templates that you can use, but we are going to go ahead and go with a blank card. This is perfect because our design is actually not too complex, so I wanted to have a blank card to start with. So we are going to go into elements and we are going to search up martini. I've already looked at some here, but we're basically just going to search martini because that's going to be a part of our design. So you can go through and select one that you like. I personally love the little watercolor one, so we're going to go ahead and follow that theme, and we're going to go with this espresso martini at the top here. So you're going to go ahead and size it the way you want. You don't want it too big because you want to have some room for some sort of writing, but that is what we're going to start with. But since we're with the watercolor theme, I am going to go in and type in watercolor bow. And then I am going to select this one. Basically, you cannot just sell elements like as their own, so you kind of want to jazz it up a little bit, and this bow theme is very popular nowadays, so we are going to go with that. Hold on, I'm just going to select it again, and you could just size it to how you want it. I'm going to make it about that size, maybe a bit smaller, as long as it fits across nicely. So that is perfect. And because we went with a martini theme, we are going to make the writing a teeny bit older. And that's kind of a fun little birthday card. I've seen it on Pinterest and I loved it. So we are going to write a teeny bit older with our writing tool. And the fun part is we can pick a font. I love the seasons, which is what it's on right now, but feel free to go ahead and change that. So we're gonna go, and I really like La Luxe Serif, so I'm gonna go with that. It is a pro font, so just feel free to go through and select a free font that you like, but it's up to you entirely. But I'm gonna go with this font. I just thought it was super classic, thin, and really kind of fit this theme. And then I'm going to change the writing to a brown. I kind of want it to match this and just kind of have the same theme. And you from here can go ahead and jazz it up however you want. I'm just going to change the background color to, I think, a pink, but just a lighter shade. So you just go to your color tool and drag that across, and that is pretty much it. That's all I'm going to do. Cards don't need to be complex. You can make it more complex. You can add bows all throughout by duplicating Maybe you want a bow here and a bow here. But feel free to just play around with it. You can really do whatever you want to make this card your own. But for the design, that is it. So when you go to sell, you can sell as a PDF because it's going to be printable for them. So you would just hit share, save as, and you could change this to PDF print. So I would save it like that. And you're also going to want to save it as a photo. So this is for the mock-up purposes. I'm going to save it as a PNG file, and this is so that we can make a mock-up. We can actually make the mock-up right in Canva for Etsy, so I'm going to add another page. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So I have downloaded the image, so I'm going to upload that same image here. This is the one that I went with, but all you'd have to do is just upload the file and then select it from your phone. So this is obviously a fun design. What we're going to do is hit edit at the top here. And this is how we're going to make our mockup. Canva has free integrations, so feel free to use them. This is mockups, and it's basically through smartmockups.com. So if you want to go to a different website, try Smart Mockups. It's great. There's also a ton of others. I'll put them on the screen. But these are all ones where you can make little mockups. There's also videos, which is kind of awesome. I kind of want to see how that looks. So let's try one with print first, and then let's try a video. So you are going to select one that you like. I, in scrolling, thought this one was great, so we're going to go with that. You can also do this one where they're holding it. That's kind of fun too. So let's try that. And it's going to take a second to load, but now it is here. Look at how awesome this looks. You can drag it, fit it to size, and then you can literally upload it just like this into Canva, or into, Etsy with a title. This is how awesome you can make it look, but because I saw the videos, I kind of want to try one, so let's do that. Same thing, here is the photo. We're gonna hit edit, and we are going to go to mockups. I'm like dying to see how this looks. Okay. I literally didn't even know Canva had this feature yet, so I'm kind of excited, but let's find a nice print one. Let's see if this will work. This is awesome because Etsy has a new feature where videos help you rank higher in the search. So this is like an amazing tool for that because now you don't have to go and create a whole video. That is so cool. So there's the card being placed down. So this is perfect for your mockups. You can obviously resize it how you want, but there is another tool that you can use. So it's literally that simple. So as always, I am going to put keywords on the screen. This is so that you can use these little keywords in your title and your description, because that is what will help you rank higher on Etsy, and then it will help with your organic growth over time. You can also use these keywords on Pinterest. They will help you promote your products, and remember to link them directly to your new listing, because this will also help you get more traffic to your Etsy shop. It's what I use, and it's what many others use that make money with Etsy. I hope this video was helpful for you. Again, stay tuned. I have another video coming next week, and it is with this new platform. So I'm working around it and I'm playing with it, and I'm so excited to show you, because if you don't want to do a lot of designing, this tool is literally a game changer. So we'll be talking about that next week. And then also I have another video coming on how to really just optimize your overall Etsy shop. People have been asking for this, so I'm dying to put it out for you. So I'm going to work on that video as well. And you will be getting a bunch of new videos with this new tool, and obviously with how to optimize your Etsy shop. And again, as always, there will be tutorials too. So thank you for watching. Definitely like and subscribe if you haven't already. I love having new subscribers, and I love when you guys comment, let me know what you think, and I love engaging with you there. So you can also follow me on Instagram. I'll put my link to my Instagram page in the description, and I will follow you back. So as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you very, very soon.